Welcome YouTube to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew and today I'm going to show you how to change a drum on a Xerox AltaLink C8000 series copier. First thing you're going to want to do when changing the drums is open the front cover. You're going to see an orange latch with a lock and an unlock symbol. You're going to want to unlock that latch first, then push down on the orange button on top of the drum door and it'll unlatch. Push down on the door until it's all the way flat like that. The drum we're going to be replacing today is the R1. The R1 is your black drum, but you also have R2, R3, and R4, which are your three colors. Pull the black drum out. What you'll want to do is push up on the orange tab to unlock it and then pull straight out. You'll come out with it. I like to put my hand under it for support, but don't touch the surface of the actual drum part. We'll grab our new drum, which will come in a box. We'll take the drum out of the box and it'll be wrapped in a silver wrapper, but you'll just take that silver wrapper off and then you'll be left with this piece. Now, the new drum comes in a black protective case. And that protective case is to help you install it the proper way without it hitting light and damaging the drum surface. The case has two little teeth on the end of it, and the front of the machine has two little holes on each side of where the drum goes in. You'll take those teeth, you'll insert them into those holes just like that, and then you'll take the little orange handle and you'll push the new drum into the machine all the way until it stops, and you'll remove the black protective piece. You'll finish inserting the drum all the way by pushing it in, and you'll hear it give a little bit of a latch. After you insert the drum, you're going to want to clean the LED lens surface that's underneath it. And the way you do that is there's a little orange rod right below where you just put the drum in, and you're going to want to pull that rod straight out and be very careful because it's a very thin piece of plastic and you don't want to break it. And you push the rod back in. And you'll do that about 3 times and that'll clean that surface real nice. You'll close the drum door, lock it, you'll relock the latch, and then you close the front door and you're all done. If you want to learn more common fixes on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.